Today we're going to demo our Performance Viz, Homework and Exam Analytics Dashboard for Inclusive Student Success. This project began from a Dean's Challenge that asked, can we help our underserved, underprepared populations and also support the general population to maximize inclusive STEM student thriving? We focused on an Intro to Chem Principles required course for all College of Science and College of Engineering programs at the university, and it's the second largest course on campus with approximately 1,000 first-year students taking the course. Today, we'll be walking you through some real-world questions that we were able to answer for the dean and the chem professors from 4 different Performance Viz dashboard views. First is the overall exam grade performance pathway. Using this Sankey diagram, we were able to serve 2 goals. First, provide an overview of student exam performance trajectory, and second, display grade distribution of different exams. Here we can answer for the instructor, eventually for the student. Are exam grades being distributed fairly? Which exams are the hardest and the easiest? What are the common performance pathways of this course? Can a student recover after receiving a particular score on a specific exam? Hovering over this pathway in particular, you can see an example where there were 6 students who got an F on the 3rd exam that ended up getting a B on the final. Our second view zooms in to the detailed exam grade pathway using parallel coordinates for the following purposes. First, exam course performance of individual students. Second, to be able to compare course performance of student groups. Here we're going to demo answering a question to a dean or instructor to see how can we reverse engineer and analyze student performance of any individual or group of non-thriving students. So here we see highlighted a student who got an F on the first exam, 0, 0, 0 on the next 3. That means she withdrew from the course. On the right-hand side, you can see in bold, she was a first-gen white female, Pell eligible, and a 1-test SAT score of 1380 or below. We can also ask questions like, are there any course achievement gaps in a particular group of students? So using the characteristic highlighter, we can actually filter for gender to see if there's a gender achievement gap. Notice the green for males, purple for females, and we're looking for students who didn't thrive getting a C or below. And in our case, there is a slight achievement gap with gender because roughly 55% of the females were in that group versus 45%. Notice the orange bar length on the left-hand side of that chart. That's also telling you the largest predictive power of which underserved or underprepared characteristics would best predict performance. Our third view is the detailed exam item analysis using a force-directed graph to help us visualize topic relationship and difficulty among questions. Here an instructor can analyze their exam by saying, are there any or too many questions to be revised that are too easy, too difficult, or unrelated? So we're looking at exam number 3 and we can see that there are some questions way out in the edges there that are not related and light color blue too easy. The next question they can ask are there enough questions for each topic? So we can look at the final exam, and when we do that, we see the different colors of different chapters, and we'll notice there are no blue fundamentals questions from that chapter on that exam. Our final view is the overall exam and homework analysis dashboard using a radial tree to visualize topic relationship among questions from all homework and exam items. It can answer questions like, do the homework questions support and align to exam questions that support later cumulative exams? Do I have enough or too much or not enough homework practice problems that align to exam problems? This concludes our practitioner interactive demo. Thank you.